Good afternoon, good evening, depending time you're watching this video. This is 𝐼𝐧𝐬𝐢𝐴 𝐼𝐺𝐻 speaking from Unique Prime Marketing Agency. Just want to do this offer to celebrate our Independence Day and also mark my own birthday. By the grace of God, I'm going to show you how you can get access to courses online, and you are going to be gaining certificates after finishing or after ending the courses. You're going to be giving certificates, and you can render those certificates to your clients, and they're going to pay you a huge amount of money from it. I'm going to show you the secret way now to get clients online without stress, and I'm going to show you different ways whereby you can get clients. I'm targeting to train people that are interested in digital marketing, social media marketing, website design, SEO marketing. These are the different. These are some of the places you can get courses for free, and you are going to be getting certificates after completing those courses. These are some of the websites. These are some of the WhatsApp group whereby you can WhatsApp channel whereby you can get courses for free, and I'm going to disclose the channel to you guys, and I'm going to show you different websites whereby you can get remote job. I'm going to be paying it in dollars. I'm going to be paying in dollars. Let me show you one of it. Sorry, this is one website. You can see SEO or growth marketer. You can see the amounts that are going to be paying, and the person can see 8 days ago. You can see growth and life cycle marketing. You can see the amounts they are going to be paying the people. You can see blog writer. You can see the amounts they are going to be paying the person. You can see remote sales rep. You can see you can work anywhere in the world. You can see the amounts they are going to be paying the person. I think that is per year. You can see social media specialists. You can see they are going to pay you more than, you can see social media is the same thing as social media marketer or manager. You can see the amounts they are going to pay you more than $100,000 per year. You can just divide it, do your calculation. You can see it's more than let me say it's more than $7,000 per month. You can see these are one of the websites that you can get clients without stress. There's a lot of them I have, and I'm going to disclose it with you guys. You can see there's a lot of works here. You can see 1 day ago, 11 days ago. You can see you can get a lot of clients here, and I'm going to show you how you can write your own portfolio, how you can get your own portfolio, how you can design your CV. Bye for this minute. But wait, I haven't said the offer. I'm going to. This offer is just for 50 people, and this course is more than 250,000 naira. If I won't lie to you, but I just want to give it for just 10,000 naira for just 50 people. I don't want much people because I have a lot of things I'm doing. I have a lot of things I'm doing. Seriously, some of you guys can testify what I'm saying. I'm rushing because I have some other clients to do their work. That is why I'm rushing. Sorry for that. And it's for just 50 people. And if you are lucky to be part of them, I thank God for you. If you are interested in it, just message me through the number you are going to be seeing on this screen. Just message me and make your payments, and I will add you to the groups. Even some people pay me more than 20,000 per month to just replying them and give them advices on how they can make money and do some correction about it. But you guys, you are going to get it for free. I'm going to just pay the 10,000 naira, and I'm going to give you a lot of resources for free. I'm just doing it to just celebrate Independence Day and to celebrate my own birthday. But I don't normally celebrate birthday, but just do the offer for you guys. And this is my 5th year in this online space, and the offer will close in next 4 days. It's 5 days so far. The offer has already started today, and it will close in next 4 days. If you are interested, just message me through the number I'm going to see on this screen. Bye for this minute.